In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Outlook and Google Calendar. Let's start on the Google Calendar side. Open your web browser and go to your Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the account that has the calendar you want to sync with Outlook. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a list of your calendars under the My Calendars section. Find the specific calendar you want to bring into Outlook. Hover your mouse over that calendar name, and you'll see a small three-dot icon appear to the right of it. Click that three-dot icon, and from the menu that opens, choose Settings and Sharing. This will take you to the settings page just for that calendar. Here, scroll down until you find a section called Integrate Calendar. In that section, look for the line that says Secret Address in iCal format. This is the special link Outlook will use to subscribe to your Google Calendar. Click in that field and copy the entire iCal URL. It's important not to share this link with anyone you don't trust, because it gives access to your calendar details. Now switch over to your Outlook account in your browser. Once Outlook is open, look at the left side of the screen and click on the calendar icon to open the calendar view. Inside the calendar view, you'll see another panel on the left. Look for an option that says Add Calendar and click it. A new window or pop-up will appear with several choices. In this pop-up, select the option on the left that says Subscribe from Web. In the box that appears, paste the iCal link you copied from Google Calendar. Just click into the field and paste the URL. Below that, give this calendar a clear name so you can recognize it easily. For example, something like Google Calendar or whatever makes sense for you. You can also choose a color and, if available, a small icon or charm to help visually distinguish it from your other calendars. Then select which calendar group or category you want to add it to, so it appears in the right place in your Outlook view. When everything looks good, click Import. Outlook will take a moment to process the subscription. Wait for the import to finish. Once it's done, you should see a small notification at the bottom of the screen saying it successfully imported the calendar you just named. After that, your Google Calendar events will appear in Outlook and you're all set.